Okay, so welcome to this video on 2014 Section A higher level question 7. Okay, so the question here has the figure shows the elevation and plan of a stage light. A 3D graphic here is also shown. So here's our elevation, here's our plan. Project an auxiliary elevation, okay, on the line X1, Y1 line to see the true shape. Okay, so surface S is a true shape. If you want to see the true shape of something, you need to look perpendicular to it. So I need to look perpendicular to the surface S to see the true shape of it. And I'm drawing an auxiliary elevation in different elevation looking in from here. Let's take a quick look at the solution here. So here's what the finished answer will look like. So the lines are projected from plan and the heights from the X1 and Y1 line are taken from elevation. So here's the model. Okay, we'll quickly go through. So here's the model in 3D. So what we have to do is take a view looking perpendicular to that surface S. So that's what it looks like when you look perpendicular to it. That's the this is the elevation, and an auxiliary elevation is a different elevation. So that's what we're seeing there, and the hidden detail is there. How does it work in 3 dimensions? So we know, or in 3D, the concept. So the elevation projected onto the vertical plane, plan projected onto the horizontal plane. Auxiliary vertical plane is parallel to surface S. The auxiliary elevation is projected onto that plane. So here are the projection lines in 3D. Okay, so there they are, and these two lines prove that the height are the same. So on our drawing sheet, in the plan view, these projection lines, okay, are drawn on our sheet, drawn from our plan view. So we'll begin. So I'm going to line up my set square with surface S, okay, or the X1, Y1 line. So I have it lined up with the X1, Y1 line. Okay, I'm going to project all my lines from my plan view. So all the points rather, I'm going to project from all the points in plan rather. So these are your sight lines. So we're looking kind of that way in 3D. Alright, now, I've just one more to do there. We've got to take the heights from elevation. So the XY line represents an edge of the horizontal plane, or the base in elevation, and it also represents the same plane in the auxiliary elevation. So take my height from here, lift, I'm going to mark it in here, and then I'm going to take this height with my compass, lift, find it in plan, mark it in, okay, and now I'm going to draw lines parallel to my X1 and Y1 line just to represent my heights. Okay, and now I want to figure out what's heavy, what's hidden. So this face here, I can see when I look in that way in 3D, I can see that face there. So this point in plan represents a line in elevation and a line here. Okay, and it's going up to the first height. So that's a heavy line. Alright, here's a heavy line. Here's a heavy line. So that represented the following phase that I'm going to show you now. So it represented that face there. Now I'm going to do this green face. So the green face is here in plan. So I can see a portion of it. So I'm going to heavy this in. Okay, now I'm going to do the slope surface S. So look, this line on surface S goes up to this height here, that one there. So I'm going to heavy that line, and it joins to this point. This one here is brought up from plan to here. So they're going to join together. Okay, now that's that done. Let's do the brown one. So the brown one, okay, is here in plan, so bring that up. It's the same height as that one, and now I bring this point to there, and I'm going to join them together. Now, where's my heavy and hidden detail? Well, two surfaces intersected a line, so this is going to be hidden detail, so that line at the back is going to be hidden detail. And then this line here I can't see is blocked, so that has to be hidden detail. And there's the true shape of surface S. As we can see. There you go. Right, cheers, thank you, bye bye.